Thought I would do a little unboxing of this BMS. This is the ANT BMS 32S 120 amp. Let's see what we got. And the listing didn't say that it came with anything other than the BMS, but it appears that it did, so, which I was hoping it did. So it came with these cables, which we need to connect to each one of the cells. That's great. And this is it. And that's pretty much it. Not a whole lot to see, but it is the 120, so I've got 2 lines for each connection, which is going to be good, just for ease of hooking things up. And it looks like they included also the instruction manual that is on the listing. Yeah, that shows the configuration depending on how many batteries you have. So it's up to 32 cells, which is what I have, because I've got 16 modules. But yeah, I think I'm gonna plug this in today and just see what the state of the batteries are. That'll be good if I could get the Bluetooth working. It's a lot of work hooking up all these little wires, but I guess that's the little switch, menu switch, or you can use Bluetooth to activate it. But yeah, I think this was $80. Should be pretty good, hopefully. Aluminum heatsink. But obviously we're gonna have to put this in some sort of an enclosure, just keep it from getting beaten up. Maybe just the cardboard box, just kidding. But yeah, made it all the way to New Jersey from China, even with the threats of tariffs, in 2 weeks, because there was a news report they had shut down all post office stuff from China. But even with the Lunar New Year and everything, came in pretty quickly.